You too. Back at it again with another one, family. It's the Kale and Quinoa salad episode, man. Stick around. Now, as we start this off, we come in with about 1.5 pounds of kale that we previously cleaned. Now, just to remove all the leaves off the stem, you hold the base of the stem and just work your way up with the opposite hand just to get it real clean, man. Super simple. Now, all of the stems that you don't use for this particular salad, just make sure you keep those to the side, and you can utilize those in another kind of way, right? You could cook those down and, make some type of vegetable medley. It's up to you. So now we go in with some sea salt, and what we do here is massage the salt into this kale, right? What this does is help break down the fibrous texture of it and help make it softer. If you've ever had kale, you know this is a very fibrous vegetable, so this helps with the process of tenderizing it, basically. So we go in, we just give it a real good massage. This is kale that we've cleaned already, and we're gonna get ready to put it to use. So now for the quinoa, we add 2 cups of water per cup of quinoa, and we're going in with white quinoa, right? So as we let this pot come to a boil, no salt added to the water, we add our 1 cup of quinoa. Also, please make sure that you guys wash your quinoa off before using it. All right, so we let this basically steam for about 15 minutes or so. And this is what that looks like. Right. Once you've gotten it to the texture that you need it to be, you just take a knife, you take a fork and just fluff it, man. Now, just an up close shot, you can see these white specks coming from the quinoa. This is actually called a germ. This is equivalent to the yolk of an egg, so it's supposed to look like that, so don't freak out. Now, the time that it took to cook the quinoa and let it cool, you can see that this kale has become significantly softer, right, in texture. So that's what we're looking for. Once it's gotten to that texture, we just let it rain. We begin to build our salad. Now we add in some grape tomatoes, red onion for color also, as well as some cucumber. You can use any method you choose. I chose to use 2 ladles just to incorporate that quinoa throughout the salad as much as possible. You don't want any bits on the bottom just hanging on. Just want to get everything all mixed in the bowl. This does take some time to do, to distribute everything evenly, but it's worth it. Trust me. Now here we have it, folks. Even ladle distribution. Now here we have it, folks. 100% vegan. Kale and quinoa salad. Also, please click the iCard in the top right hand corner of the video to redirect you to the salad dressing that accompanied this salad. Thank you for watching, people. Bless.